Welcome to our channel. If you want to delete proxy settings on your Mac to restore default network configurations, follow these step-by-step instructions. Step 1. Click on the Apple menu in the top left corner of your screen and select System Preferences or System Settings. Step 2. Click on Network to access your network connection settings. Step 3. Select the network connection you are currently using, such as Wi-Fi or Ethernet, from the list on the left. Step 4. Click on Advanced in the bottom right corner of the Network Settings window. Step 5. Click on the Proxies tab to view all proxy configurations currently enabled on your Mac. Step 6. Review the list of proxy protocols and uncheck any boxes next to proxy types that are currently enabled, such as Web Proxy, HTTP, Secure Web Proxy, HTTPS, or SOCKS Proxy. Step 7. If any proxy servers are listed in the configuration fields, delete the proxy server addresses and port numbers. Step 8. Click OK to save your changes, then click Apply to confirm and delete the proxy settings. Step 9. Restart your Mac if needed to ensure the proxy settings are completely removed. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.